Everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I am Riddhi Singh, and this is the look that I will be creating today. It's a very easy, simple, yet an elegant look. Easily be carried for any occasion, any event, party. You can wear it with Western outfit, as you can see, with Indian outfit as well. So let's get started with the look. Prep my eyes, I will use the NYX eye base in the shade Skin Tone, and with my Deluxe Glaze brush by Real Techniques, I will apply the product all across my mobile lid till the crease line. Similarly, I will apply the product on the other eye, setting both my eyes with the Luxury Powder by Ben 9 in the shade Beige Suede. The eyeshadow palette that I will be using is the 9-in-1 eyeshadow palette by Manish Malhotra in the shade Reverie. Using my Lancome shader brush, I will apply the brown eyeshadow all across my mobile lid up till the crease line and ensure it's blended well. Using the shimmer golden shade, I will apply all across my lid with my finger for the color payoff and the application to be better. Using my PAC 312 brush, I will ensure that the eyeshadows applied are blended well. I will take the brown shade again to intensify the crease line, just to give it a little more depth, and blend it. Applying the same brown eyeshadow to define my lower lash line. For glitter, I will be using the PAC pressed glitter in the shade 12 Candlelight. This particularly because pressed glitters are easy to apply and they don't need any extra glue, and also they stay well. Concealer, I will be using the Miracle Age Rewind Concealer in the shade 144 Caramel, and with my finger will I apply it. I prefer using my hands to blend because it does a good blending work, and at the same time I feel it gives a better finish. This foundation, I will be again using my Body Shop foundation in the shade Cecily Amber 050. Applying it with my finger all over my face and then blending it with the Miniso brush. It's actually a contour brush, but I feel it also applies the foundation well. For mascara, I will be using the Outrageous Curl Mascara by Sephora. I will wiggle it on the bottom of my lashes and then curl it upwards. Since I will be applying false lashes, so a single coat of mascara would be sufficient, and I will also apply it on my lower lash line. With PAC 301 brush, I will set my base. With an angled brush, I will fill in my eyebrows from the Ben 9 pressed color palette. This brush is by QVS, and why I chose this is because the bristles are quite stiff, which are very good for filling in the eyebrows. Brushing the brows with the spoolie so that the color gets well distributed. I will use the NYX highlight and contour palette for my contouring, and the brush I'm using is by Real Techniques. I will again mark my nose contour lines with the PAC 312 brush and blend it with my finger. I will use my blush from the Ben 9 blush palette. I'm using the same contour brush for my blush also, but before using I had cleaned the contouring product from it. Part of next step, I will line my lips with a lip liner, which is the shade Maroon by Faces, and will fill my lips with the same. Now to note that I had moisturized my lips in the beginning with a chapstick. Then on top of it, I will apply a lipstick in the shade Red, which is 429 by Inglot. I really love the texture and the way this lipstick lasts, and it's a beautiful shade. Also my favorite lipstick as well. I really love the gold tone shimmer shadow from the Manish Malhotra palette, so I decided to use that as a highlighter. And with the BAC 311 brush, I will apply it on the highest points of my cheek and my temples on the bridge of my nose. I will apply the false lashes off camera, and this is the finished look. As you can see, it's a western outfit that I'm wearing. The same look can also be carried with an Indian outfit. We can always accessorize ourselves accordingly. I hope you all enjoyed this video. For those who are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to it. And please do share your comments in the comment section below. Would love to hear from you all. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Wish you all a very, very happy Diwali and a beautiful year ahead. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.